Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Outdoor Man. I'm Brad, your host. Day 5 on the property today. Almost have line of sight on another survey pin. So we're gonna go ahead and clear all these out of here. So we got a better line of sight. Fall these down. Then we got some more brushing to do going that way. So hope you like this. Please like and subscribe. It's a never-ending project.
Out of gas. I'm out of gas, Johnny. I'm out of gas. Top me off, Johnny.
Line of sight. It's awesome. We turn around now and start going the other way. You can see there's plenty more cutting to come. Stay tuned. In the bottom corner here, we cleared. This is just a big brush pile, this hump in front of us. Goes way up there, you can almost see the road. We cleared out all of this. Working on that hump here. And there's our other marker now, right there. So we got from there to there. Now we just have to find out this weird shape up here. It's hard to find this pin, so basically we still got to brush all of this. Has to go. But I think it's a pretty good start today, guys. It's amazing what you can do with a small chainsaw and a small amount of fuel. A little bit of energy. I don't know if I can see the road, but I think so. Anyway, bit by bit, you want to go for a walk up there? The sun's probably right in your eyes. Oh, geez. Lots to trip over. Let's go this way. So this is 5 days in. This is what we've done. I think it's a pretty good start. That's the neighbors over there. Now we're almost at the halfway. We're probably about the halfway point on the property. Mush down this, and now we can get the quad all the way to here, but not much farther. For now, if I deal with a little bit of this, we'll be able to get it down there. That's pretty darn good, considering it was just a forest. Oh, look, there it is. I don't know if you can see my truck up there. That's the top. So it was a heck of a hike. But we're making good progress, I'd say. Really, really good progress. Stick around, more to come. All right, guys, day 5. If you remember what it looked like when we started, couldn't see much. Let me take you a walk from the front to the back. 5 days in. This is what it did look like. Oh, look, there's our fire. That's what it looked like, just like this, untouched. Let's go see what we did here. Let's go see what we did. Get the quad in here now. A little lumpy and bumpy, but you can get it in. Brushed up. The tent flat in there. Nice little walking trail. Nice little burn pile. Get the machine all the way down here. Got brother Nick just hanging out by the fire. Slash pile after slash pile. And be a busy fall. I guess I can get around this way. So all of these, I was just talking with the neighbors, all these trees here that you see, all these, they fell down and knocked over the cabin and the house, flipped this thing upside down. They had a huge freak storm that came through for about 2 minutes and just flipped everything up. So here's our slash. Rip and shred. Here we are back up at the fire. Got some opened up down here. These ones still got to get bucked up. Trails all the way around now. This is the crossing. We had to cross this log so many times, you can only see one little piece of it. This is what we call Death Valley. Little sketchy up there. So that's in no play zone for the children. For now. It's quite flat though. This is a good little homestead spot. Now here we are marching down. This is where I cut all that other stuff maybe this morning or yesterday. Gotta really watch your step, but here's the creek. It's not bad, it's pretty clean. Quite marshy in here. Quite marshy. But obviously everything's sloping down, so it makes sense. Not nearly as buggy as when I started doing this. Nope, there's our pin right there. And there's the back corner of our property. Far side. I can see the fire. That is so cool. And there's the other corner. So we're getting close to clearing all this. We gotta clean up this mess. Burn it all. Come fall. We'll burn it all. We'll be doing lots of grouse hunting. So if you guys like doing hunting videos, fishing videos, I'll be doing all kinds of stuff like that too. We caught 4 fish yesterday. A couple the day before. We saw a grouse with 4 little chicks this morning. 4 or 5. They were teeny. Like they would have easily fit in your hand. They were very small, like little chickens. Yeah, so we got this little brush pile here, but whoa! Easy. There's the other pin. Just got to figure out where this piece of pie goes. So I think it's going out this way. Anyway, this is 5 days to go from that to this. 2 men, a couple of machines, a couple of hand tools, saw. Not bad. Tomorrow, day 6, our last day here before the next trip. Stay tuned. Keep you updated. All right, guys, day 6, last time at the property. This trip, we got a fair bit done here. A lot's changed. Our sign up. We just had a deer run through the property right there. It was pretty cool. He was just munching on a brush pile. So this was a pretty intense work trip. It was a lot of fun. I can't believe I turned something like that into something like this. Our neighbor's whole lot here was untouched. This is what it was like when I got here. Now we have something to work with. A little bit of effort, guys, goes a long way. So follow along, like, subscribe. There's gonna be lots to come on this homestead project. It has begun. So I appreciate you guys for watching. Thanks so much. I hope you guys have a great day. Get outside and have some fun. See you next time.